Did you know the biggest heist in history wasn't a bank robbery, but a diamond company that stole from everyone for over a century? De Beers pulled off the perfect crime by controlling 90% of the world's diamond production. They stockpiled millions of diamonds in secret vaults, creating fake shortages while sitting on mountains of gems. But here's where it gets criminal. They created the famous slogan, "A diamond is forever," to make people think diamonds were rare and precious. It was all a lie to sell rocks they had warehouses full of. For decades, De Beers ran illegal price-fixing deals with competitors across multiple countries. They used something called the Central Selling Organization as a front for their monopoly, breaking international trade laws left and right. The most shocking part? Their criminal conspiracy inflated diamond prices by over 1,000% compared to what they were actually worth. This systematic fraud generated hundreds of billions of dollars by tricking consumers worldwide. De Beers turned worthless rocks into the world's most expensive scam, and nobody went to prison for it.